isn't so like you do me so me.
Good morning, sunshine, it's time to rise. Open your eyes to the sparkling skies. Stretch up high, wiggle your toes. Let's start the day, and away we go. Morning magic, come along. Every moment feels like a song. Sparkles in the air, what a sight. Let's make this morning shine so bright.
Brush, teeth so white, shining clean, oh what a delight. Round and round, don't forget, round and round, I guess the best yet.
Round and round, don't forget, rinse and smile, it's the best yet. Splish, splash, bubbles fly, wash your face and reach the sky. Rub-a-dub, scrub feeling so clean, like a twinkling star in.
Wow, wasn't that just the cutest thing ever? Sunny Park's morning routine is so magical and fun. Now, if you've been dreaming about starting your very own kids faceless channel with educational content like this one, you are in the right place. So we're gonna start on ChatGPT. So you're gonna need to give ChatGPT a prompt so that it can generate the song and the image for us to ChatGPT so that it can create what we need. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us two different response of which we need to choose one. Prefer this response. Okay, so now we've got everything. We've got our prompt. So we're gonna go to the next step, which is going to Leonardo to create these amazing images for us. Okay, so we are in Leonardo, so we're gonna come here to image. Okay, so you're gonna come here to paste the prompt from the ChatGPT, and then we come here to generate. So like as usual, I choose the model a Phoenix 1.0. so I'll come here to generate. I'm gonna go again and then create another image with the second prompt, and then so we come back here again on Leonardo, and then we paste the prompt and then we generate. So you're gonna need to repeat this process until you are done with all your prompt. Okay, then I come here to download the image. This one, they look cute. We need to come here to this AI. It's called 2.1. So we're going to turn the images that we got from Leonardo to here so that we can convert them into some videos. So we're gonna come here to AI videos, just click on this go. So we're gonna click on image to video, and then we come here. So we're gonna bring the image that we got from Leonardo. Let's just click this one, and then we bring it to this website. So what you need to do is to wait for the uploading to be done, and then you come here to the prompt options. So you just need to come here and write what you expect the AI to do. So we're gonna write it down. Okay, then when you are done, you can come here to generate. Okay, so it's submitted successfully, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. These are the results and I love them. So what I need to do now is to come here and then you download the videos. What is left is to get the lyrics from ChatGPT and then paste them into Refusion AI so that it can create the beautiful melody for our video. Okay, so I've already pasted it here. Then we can just come here and generate. Okay, let's just listen to this one.
Like you do me so me.
Good morning, sunshine, it's time to rise. Open your eyes. Morning magic, come along. Every moment feels like a song. Sparkles in the air, what a sight. Let's make this morning shine so bright.
Brush.
I'm gonna just go with this one, and then I come here to these three dots and then choose MP3. So now the song is already in our computer. What is left is to complete our project. We must make sure that there is sound very beautifully. So let's just go to Canva and then start editing our video. Okay, so we are in Canva, then we come here to YouTube video. So we're gonna need to bring everything to Canva. So already I've done that. Okay, so now I need to start with the audio. I need to bring the song into this space. So okay, so first thing that you need to do is to listen to the song. Click here and then just so we're gonna cut it here. Let's split the page, and then let's just go back here, and then we're gonna cut it also here. Split the page. We're not splitting the audio this time, so we're gonna just bring the image. Let's go to the videos, and then this is where she wakes up. So let's okay, so we're gonna just split it into 2 pages. Not the short one. Let's just split it like here, split it. Okay, so this second page, let's delete this one. Okay, and then we're gonna add this image. So we can just add the video like this so that it will cut the watermark. The watermark is not that big. It does not shows it doesn't have that big watermark. It's just a small tiny watermark of this website that we use to create this video, but we don't want to see that. There's a video that I recently made about removing the watermark, and it does not give you the blurry mark after that. It's just a clear, and then it doesn't change the quality of your video. So if you are interested in that, when done with this video, you can go and watch that video. So we can just leave it like this, and then we come here. So this one we're gonna put the video where she is dancing. So we're gonna put it like this, and then just do like that. Okay, and then we can just continue listening. You can just repeat the process until you are done with the other images. So at the end you will have something nice like this.
Good morning, sunshine, it's time to rise. Open your eyes to the spark. Good morning, sunshine, it's time.
Alright, I just paused the video here to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, now is the perfect time to do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss any of my fun and magical content when I post. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.
So bright.
Brush, brush, teeth so white, shining clean, oh what a delight. Round and round, don't forget, round and one, I guess the best yet.
Round and round, don't forget, rinse and smile is the best yet. Splish, splash, bubbles fly, wash your face and reach the sky. Rub-a-dub, scrub feeling so clean, like a twinkling star in a dream. Winter flame stark, yeah. Pick out your clothes, what will you wear? A rainbow shirt or something rare. Socks and shoes, a cozy hat, ready to go. Imagine that. Yum yum breakfast, it's a treat. Pancake, cereal, something sweet. Sip your juice, munch your toast. Breakfast juice, munch your toast. Fuel for the day we love the most. Morning magic, we're all set. The best adventure we've had yet. Out the door, the day's begun. Let's spread some joy and have some